3641 lot. It's 1.5 almost acres. It's 1.38. It's another 55 feet from there all the way to the next property line that we're going to be taking over, because this was initially with the original plans back in '83 was proposed street to another subdivision, but as you can see, another subdivision was created in a separate way. That is now the backyard, so there's no any future use of street. So we'll go ahead and exercise our right of use and take that over. You know, it looks like a good lot, good neighborhood, big trench in the front yard, about a foot off the street. It's the only thing that concerns me, because we got to build a culvert. I do like the fact that it's long, so we might be able to, if we can add it in there, if there's enough funds, to create a road to come in and go out in front of the house. The house obviously will be this way, 76. The longest is 68, which is on the deeper side of the lot. And I'm thinking septic might be turning this way. We'll see what the septic guy says, but it would save us the backyard or side yard from any work. So we'll see. Only concern, nothing really makes me nervous about the lot. I will see how good the grading's going to be. We just got to figure out which area is going to get graded, which area is not going to get graded. Not sure if we do want a side yard, we want a backyard, a little side yard to the big backyard. As you can see, the fence is much closer on the back end than there is on the side. You can't even see the fence because it's all the way out there. Well, it's literally 1 3/8 acre that way. It's about 320 feet from that fence down.